What do you wear on a very perfect winter cozy morning? For me, it's this shirt. I feel like this makes me feel like winter time and hot cocoa and snow. Anyway, we are pushing through our 12 days of Geeksmas challenge, and today is no exception. Let's get started! Throughout the entire challenge, I've been playing my favorite ukuleles, so if you ever wonder which ones does she like the best, you can look through this challenge to see. Today I'm playing the pineapple ukulele from Flight. In this song, you have a few options of things you can change. So we have a D minor 7th. You can make all of those D minors, like without the pinky, if you prefer that. And then we do have an E7. I kind of like how the E sounds better. So if you can make that an E, do it. If you can't, that's okay. The 7th chord works. Most of the changes happen every 2 beats. So we have C, C, A minor, D minor 7, D minor 7, G7, G7, C, C. And you'll notice this pattern. Let's do a quick little playthrough of it, or it'll be more of a stumble through. And then we'll come back and fix any spots. You will hear 4 beats and then we start. Ready, go. C, D minor, G7. Let's visit that spot. That's a cool spot to fix. Okay, so we had D minor 7 and then G7. Now if you notice there, you can leave the index finger in the same spot when you go to G7. It's like magic. And then these 2 fingers can stay in the same spot when you go to E7. Look at that. How cool is that? So you have D minor or D minor 7, G7, E7, A7. Use these 2 for D7, look up. We've done this before already in another song too. And then slide back to G7. So that'll be a cool little spot to practice those chord switches. So pause the video here and practice getting that in your hand. D minor 7 to G7, E7, A7, D7. It's all 7th chords. It's really fun. So practice that spot real quick and let's go back to the beginning once you're ready. Ready? Welcome back. Let's go from the beginning. You can do it. So that's C7. If you don't like the sound of that, you can make it a C. And see, we have something happening throughout the song where we kind of shift, use the 7th chords to shift keys. So it happened before when we had an E7 going into A7. Because E7 going to an A sounds really comfortable to us. Right? So we're going to an A7. It's slightly more open, but still to our ear, it sounds like, oh, that sounds good. And it happens again right after when we go from D7 to G. Going from a D to a G sounds good to our brain, but we're going to a G7, so it's a little more creative. And then it happens when we go from C7 to an F major 7. And the way to play that is to put 2 fingers here on the 5th fret, and it's such a funky sounding chord, so if to your ear that doesn't sound good, you really hate it, you don't like it, then play an F. That's fine too. That's a more safe kind of sounding one. So I was playing F major 7 with middle and ring just so that I could kind of bounce back to E minor with the index finger. So we have 4 beats on F major 7, then 4 on E minor, then D minor, and you can resolve there to a C. However, if you want to continue with the fun sounds, make that a C major 7. So we have a lot happening in that section. So let's go back to From Now On. Get ready? Pause right there. You can play B7 the barred way, and that's actually the more correct way because that gives us a B over here. But if that's too difficult or too awkward for you, play this way. We don't get the B that we need, but we still get that sound we're looking for. So that one works. So let's go from that A minor to B7, and then we have E minor to E minor 7. This is E minor, and this is E minor 7. You can absolutely stay on E minor there. That's totally okay, it will sound right. Okay, so let's start there because we have a lot going on. Get ready on your A minor, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. And we have, after that, we have an A7 suspended, which is just right here. 2nd fret of C. And then you come back over here for A7. So all that's happening is a moving bass line on your ukulele. Let's practice that line again, because that's a lot. Okay, so let's go from the A minor. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Keep going. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, last time. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's go from Here We Are as in Olden Days. I think that's the most challenging part of the song because it goes into this funky place. 1, 2, ready, go. For a strumming pattern, I will be doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. I will also be adding a chuck every once in a while, so that'll be a down, chuck, up, up, down, chuck up, down, chuck up, down, chuck up, down, chuck up. Okay? You got this. Here we go. Alrighty, put on your cozy clothes, practice this a bunch of times, and get ready for tomorrow's. See you there. Sayonara.